In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Base64 string to a PDF. If you've ever been sent a long block of characters and told it's a Base64 encoded PDF, don't worry. This process is simple, fast, and doesn't require installing any software. We'll use an online tool, walk through pasting the string, converting it, and downloading your finished PDF, along with a few tips to make everything go smoothly. First, open your web browser and search for Base64 to PDF converter. You'll see several options. Choose a reputable site that uses HTTPS and doesn't require you to sign in or provide personal information. A clean, straightforward interface is usually a good sign. You just want a page with a large text box for the Base64 and a clear convert button. Once you've picked a tool, find the input area labeled something like "Paste your Base64 here." Go to the source of your Base64 string, copy it in full, and paste it into that box. Make sure you're grabbing the entire string from start to finish. Some Base64 strings include a header like Data Application PDF Base64 before the actual encoded data. Many tools accept that header, but if the converter gives an error, remove the header and leave only the characters after the comma. As a quick sanity check, PDF Base64 often begins with characters like JVBRI0, which reflects the PDF signature once decoded. Also, avoid adding extra spaces or line breaks. Most tools can handle them, but keeping it clean helps prevent issues. Next, click the Convert button. The site will decode the Base64 back into a binary PDF. This usually takes a moment, depending on the size of the string and your internet connection. If the tool shows a preview, wait for it to render to confirm the content looks right. If you see an error, double-check that the Base64 is complete and that there aren't any stray characters. When the conversion finishes, use the Download PDF button or link provided. Choose a familiar location on your device and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. After downloading, open the PDF with your preferred viewer to verify that all pages display correctly. If the document appears blank or corrupted, repeat the process with a fresh copy of the Base64 or try another reputable converter. That's all there is to it. Search for a Base64 to PDF converter, paste your Base64, convert, and download the PDF. Keep your data private, pick trustworthy tools, and you'll be done in minutes.